I told you you could build serious muscle and strength without ever stepping foot in a gym? No equipment, no fancy machines, just you and your body weight. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate strength training workout that you can do right at home to build muscle fast. And trust me, the last exercise is a total game changer that most people overlook but can massively boost your gains. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Understanding strength training. Before we dive into the workout, let's take a few minutes to understand why bodyweight strength training works and how to maximize your results. What is strength training? Strength training involves exercises that make your muscles work harder, breaking down muscle fibers so they can rebuild stronger. This happens through progressive overload, which means gradually increasing resistance, repetitions, or intensity. For example, push-ups. You push your body up and down using your arms, chest, and core. Over time, as you do more push-ups, your muscles get used to it and become stronger. If you want to challenge yourself more, you can try doing push-ups with your feet raised or add more repetitions. Squats. When you squat, you're using your leg muscles. As you squat deeper and do more reps, your leg muscles get stronger. The key is progressive overload, which means gradually increasing how hard your muscles work. You can do this by 1. Adding more reps. If you can do 10 push-ups easily, try doing 12. 2. Increasing the intensity. Add weight, like a backpack with books, or use resistance bands to make exercises harder. 3. Changing the exercise. Try more difficult variations, like doing single-leg squats or incline push-ups. As a beginner, start with basic bodyweight exercises like push-up, squats, lunges, etc., and focus on good form. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the challenge to keep improving. Why train without equipment? Accessibility. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Functional strength. Bodyweight movements improve coordination and mobility. Reduced injury risk. Less strain on joints compared to weights. Cost-effective. No need for expensive gym memberships or gear. Key principles of effective bodyweight training. Time under tension. TUT. Slow down movements to increase muscle engagement. Range of motion. ROM. The full range of motion activates more muscle fibers. Mind-muscle connection. Focus on contracting the right muscles. Recovery. Muscles grow during rest, so prioritize sleep and nutrition. Warm-up. Prepare your body. Before we jump into the workout, let's get warmed up. A proper warm-up prevents injuries and prepares your muscles for maximum performance. Follow along. Jumping jacks, 60 seconds. Arm circles and shoulder rolls, 45 seconds each. High knees, 45 seconds. Dynamic lunges with twists, 30 seconds for each leg. Torso, twists and hip openers, 45 seconds each, strength training workout. Now that we're warmed up, it's time to get strong. We're doing 4 rounds of 8 powerful bodyweight exercises. I'll break each down so you understand the technique and how to get the most out of every rep. Let's go. Upper body focus 1. Chair dips, triceps and shoulders. 12 to 15 reps. Keep your elbows tucked in. Control the movement on the way down. Elevate feet for added difficulty. 2. Push-ups, chest and core. 15 to 20 reps. Maintain a strong core. Try different variations. Diamond, wide, or decline push-ups. 3. Floor towel pull-ups, back and biceps, game changer. 12 to 15 reps. Simulates pull-ups using resistance. Alternative, inverted rows under a table. Lower body focus. 4. Squats, legs and glutes, 15 to 20 reps. Focus on controlled movement. Try jump squats for an extra challenge. 5. Lunges, legs and balance, 12 to 15 reps per leg. Add a jump between reps for intensity. Hold the bottom position for 3 seconds per rep. Full body and core strength. 6. Burpees, full body and endurance, 10 to 15 reps. Modify with step backs if needed. Keep a steady pace. 7. Planks, core and stability, 60 seconds. Try plank variations like side planks or shoulder taps. 8. Mountain climbers, core and cardio, 45 seconds. Engage your abs fully. Slow it down for core activation or speed it up for cardio. Advanced training techniques. How to progress without weights. Increase reps and sets. Aim for an extra set each week. Reduce rest time. Less rest means more endurance and fat loss. Slow down the movement. Focus on controlled eccentric, lowering phases. Use unilateral movements, single leg squats, one-arm push-ups, etc. Isometric holds. Hold positions like wall sits and L sits for time. Common mistakes to avoid. Not prioritizing form. Sloppy form leads to injuries. Skipping warm-ups and cooldowns increases risk of injury. Not tracking progress. Use a journal to monitor improvement. Overtraining without recovery. Growth happens during rest. Cool down and recovery. Awesome job! Now let's cool down to avoid soreness and improve flexibility. Stretching helps with recovery and keeps your muscles healthy. Follow along. Child's pose. 60 seconds, seated forward. Fold, 60 seconds. Chest stretch and shoulder openers, 60 seconds. Quad stretch, 45 seconds per leg. Cat-cow stretch, 45 seconds. Hip flexor stretch, 45 seconds per side. Nutrition and recovery for strength gains. Best foods to support. Muscle growth protein sources. Eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, tofu. Carbs for energy. Oats, sweet potatoes, quinoa. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, olive oil. Hydration. Water is key to muscle recovery. How to structure your diet. Pre-workout meal. Carbs plus protein, banana and peanut butter. Post-workout. Recovery. Protein plus healthy fats, Greek yogurt and nuts. Daily macronutrient balance. 40% carbs, 30% protein, 30% fats. That's it. No gym, no excuses, just real strength training at home. If you made it this far, I'm proud of you. Stay consistent with this routine, and you'll see amazing results in no time. Remember, building strength isn't just about the exercises. It's about showing up, pushing through, and believing in yourself. What's next? If you want to take your training further, check out my other home workout videos, where I cover nutrition, recovery, and advanced strength techniques. Let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite and what you want to see next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a workout. See you in the next video. Let's keep getting stronger together.